Have you ever wondered about the beauty and diversity of United States national parks? This vast country is dotted with over 400 parks, each a unique testament to the staggering natural wonders that the United States has to offer. From the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the depths of the Grand Canyon, these parks protect and preserve some of the most spectacular landscapes on Earth. The story of the national park system begins over a century ago in the late 19th century. The idea was simple but revolutionary: to set aside large tracts of land, not for development or exploitation, but for the enjoyment and inspiration of all. Today these parks serve as living museums, showcasing the dynamic processes of nature and the rich tapestry of American history. So why are we talking about this? Well, our aim in this video is to take you on a virtual tour of some of these incredible parks, to inspire and educate, and maybe even to spark a bit of wanderlust. Ready to embark on a journey through time and nature? Let's start at the beginning with the first ever established national park. Welcome to Yellowstone, the park that started it all back in 1872. Nestled within the rugged wilds of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, Yellowstone National Park is a testament to the raw beauty and untamed power of nature. As we venture into this vast expanse spanning over 2 million acres, we stumble upon a world teeming with life and natural wonder. Yellowstone is home to the largest concentration of wildlife in the lower 48 states. Here, grizzly bears roam freely, herds of bison graze on the open plains, and elusive wolves haunt the wilderness. But it's not just the wildlife that makes Yellowstone extraordinary. The park is a geothermal wonderland, boasting more than half of the world's geysers. Among these, Old Faithful stands as the most renowned, erupting with clockwork regularity and captivating spectators with its powerful display. Yellowstone's landscapes are as diverse as they are vast. From the ethereal beauty of the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone, carved by the relentless force of the Yellowstone River, to the tranquil serenity of Yellowstone Lake, the largest high-elevation lake in North America. And let's not forget, Yellowstone's significance extends beyond its borders. As the first national park in the United States and indeed the world, it laid the groundwork for the preservation and conservation of nature's wonders. It's a legacy that has since inspired the creation of over 4,000 national parks worldwide. But Yellowstone is more than just a park. It's a symbol of our shared commitment to preserving the wild spaces of our planet. It's a place where we can reconnect with the natural world and witness the untamed beauty of the wilderness. In the heart of Yellowstone, amidst its geysers and sprawling landscapes, beneath its clear blue skies and among its diverse wildlife, we find a testament to the enduring power of nature. A visit to Yellowstone is like stepping into a different world, one where nature reigns supreme. From the geysers of Yellowstone, we move to the towering trees of Sequoia National Park. Here in California's southern Sierra Nevada mountains, the sequoias reach skyward, their immense trunks and lofty canopies a testament to the resilience of nature. Among these colossal trees, the General Sherman tree stands out. It's not the tallest tree in the world, nor does it boast the broadest girth, but when it comes to sheer volume, no living tree on our planet surpasses General Sherman. Its staggering size is a marvel to behold, a reminder of the enduring majesty of the natural world. But the grandeur of Sequoia National Park is not limited to its giant trees. The park's diverse ecosystem also includes vast caverns, jagged peaks, and verdant meadows, each with its own unique beauty. The story of Sequoia National Park began over a century ago, in the year 1890. It was the second national park to be established in the United States, a bold step towards preserving these ancient giants for future generations. The park's establishment marked a significant moment in the history of conservation, setting a precedent for the protection of natural wonders worldwide. Today, Sequoia National Park continues to captivate visitors with its breathtaking landscapes and awe-inspiring trees. As you wander the park's trails, you can't help but feel humbled by the scale of these living monuments, some of which have been growing for over 3,000 years. In the shadow of these giants, one can truly appreciate the grandeur of nature. Next, we journey to the frosty peak of Mount Rainier National Park. A majestic icon in the Washington landscape, this park is home to none other than Mount Rainier itself, a stratovolcano standing tall at over 14,000 feet. It's not just the staggering height that leaves visitors in awe, but the enchanting ice-blue glaciers that cloak the mountain. These glaciers, over 25 of them in fact, are among the most prominent features of the park. They are rivers of ice, slowly carving and shaping the mountain, a testament to the relentless forces of nature. The largest of these, the Carbon Glacier, is acclaimed as the most voluminous glacier on the continental United States. But the park isn't all ice and snow. Come spring, the lower slopes of Mount Rainier transform into a painter's palette of vibrant colors. Wildflower meadows burst into life, creating a stark contrast against the snowy backdrop. Fields of lupine, Indian paintbrush, and the park's signature avalanche lilies create a carpet of color that is a sight to behold. Established in the year 1899, Mount Rainier National Park is the fifth oldest national park in the United States. Over a century later, the park continues to captivate visitors with its striking landscapes and diverse ecosystems, and let's not forget the mountaineers. Mount Rainier is a popular challenge for climbing enthusiasts, drawing in thousands each year with its promise of adventure. The mountain's unpredictable weather, crevassed glaciers, and high altitude make for a climb that is as challenging as it is rewarding. But fear not, for the less adventurous. There are over 260 miles of maintained trails for hiking and exploring the park's varied landscapes. A visit to Mount Rainier National Park is a journey into a world of icy peaks and colorful meadows, a world where nature's power and beauty are on full display. It's a place that reminds us of the captivating diversity of the United States landscapes. Mount Rainier National Park, a testament to the icy beauty of the United States. From the icy peak of Mount Rainier, we descend into the depths of Crater Lake National Park. Here, in the heart of Oregon, we find a wonder that's a testament to the power of nature and the passage of time. Crater Lake's formation is a tale of fire and ice. Around 7,700 years ago, a violent eruption caused Mount Mazama to collapse, leaving a deep caldera in its wake. Over the centuries, this caldera filled with rainwater and snowmelt, creating the deepest lake in the United States. This lake is so deep, in fact, that if you stacked the Statue of Liberty on top of the Washington Monument, they would still be submerged. But Crater Lake isn't just notable for its depth. It's also renowned for its water, which is some of the purest and bluest on Earth. This clarity is due to the lake's isolation from incoming streams or rivers. The water here is solely replenished by rain and snow, free from the sediments and pollutants that usually cloud other bodies of water. This results in a lake so blue that it often appears unreal to first-time visitors. This mesmerizing site was established as a national park back in 1902, making it the fifth oldest national park in the United States. Today, it spans over 183,000 acres, providing a sanctuary for diverse wildlife and a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're hiking on the park's 90 miles of trails, skiing down its slopes, or simply gazing into the lake's hypnotic blue depths, Crater Lake offers an unforgettable experience. In the heart of the park, Wizard Island, a cinder cone that emerged after Mount Mazama's collapse, adds to the mystic charm of the place. It's as if nature herself decided to place a cherry on top of this already spectacular sundae. Crater Lake National Park, a gem in the crown of the United States' natural beauty. It's a place where you can marvel at the raw power of Mother Earth and immerse yourself in the tranquility of its pristine waters. So, take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is Crater Lake, a testament to the ever-changing, ever-astonishing beauty of our natural world. From the surface, we delve underground to explore Wind Cave National Park. In the southern Black Hills of South Dakota, the park is home to one of the world's longest and most complex cave systems. A subterranean wonderland, the cave boasts a labyrinth of passages adorned with a unique formation called boxwork, a honeycomb-like structure rarely found elsewhere. This intricate cave system was revered by the Lakota Sioux Native Americans, who considered it sacred. They believed it to be the site where their ancestors first emerged from the underworld into the world we inhabit today. It's a place rich in spiritual significance and folkloric charm, a testament to the deep-seated connection between nature and indigenous cultures. The cave's importance extends beyond its cultural significance. It's also a hotbed of scientific discovery. Biologists, geologists, and other scientists flock to Wind Cave for its unique ecosystem and geological features. It provides a living laboratory for studying the mysteries of the underground world. In the year 1903, President Theodore Roosevelt recognized the cave's significance and established Wind Cave National Park, making it the first cave in the world to be designated a national park. Thanks to this forward-thinking decision, the park continues to inspire awe and curiosity in countless visitors each year. But Wind Cave National Park isn't just about the cave. Above ground, it's a sanctuary for wildlife. It's common to spot bison, elk, and prairie dogs roaming the mixed grass prairie and ponderosa pine forest. The park's dual nature, above and below ground, makes it a unique destination among the country's national parks. As we journey through the labyrinthine passages, we're reminded of the cave's importance to the Native Americans, its contributions to science, and its role as a protector of wildlife. The park's establishment in the early 20th century ensures that this underground marvel will continue to captivate visitors for generations to come. Wind Cave National Park, a journey to the heart of the earth. From the underground wonders of Wind Cave, we've journeyed through time and nature across some of the United States' most stunning national parks. We've explored the geysers and hot springs of Yellowstone, the nation's first national park, where nature's power and unpredictability are on full display. We've marveled at the towering giants of Sequoia National Park, home to some of the world's largest and oldest trees. These living giants stand as silent witnesses to centuries of history, their towering heights and wide girths a testament to the power of time and growth. We've admired the breathtaking beauty of Mount Rainier National Park, where glaciers carve the landscape and wildflowers paint the meadows in a riot of colors. The park's namesake peak, Mount Rainier, is an active volcano that dominates the skyline, its snowy peak a beacon of natural majesty. We've gazed into the sapphire depths of Crater Lake, the deepest lake in the United States. Formed by the collapse of a volcano, its pristine waters and surrounding cliffs hold a captivating beauty that changes with the seasons. And finally, we've delved into the subterranean depths of Wind Cave National Park, with its intricate maze of passages lined with delicate formations. The cave's unique boxwork formations, found nowhere else in such abundance, are a marvel of nature's artistry. Each of these parks, from the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone to the subterranean mysteries of Wind Cave, showcases the diverse beauty and natural wealth of the United States. They are places of adventure, of discovery, of awe and wonder. They are living museums that hold the history of our planet, and sanctuaries where nature thrives in all its wild splendor. Each of these parks offers a unique glimpse into the stunning natural beauty of the United States. So why wait? Start planning your visit today and experience these wonders for yourself.